Good morning. Here we have a couple crane flies getting it on. Yeah, did you know these bugs are from the Triassic period, 245 million years ago? This is why they're still with us. It's right on my window, so I just thought you'd enjoy. I told you more bugs were coming, more bug videos, but yeah, this is the crane fly again. I saw a little butterfly as big as a bird, but couldn't capture it. Making more little crane flies. I'll put their info in the description, but I think they're so cool looking. Those long little legs. It'd be fun to see the wings out, but I guess we don't do that when we're getting it all. Anyway. Well, this is why they're still with us. I think it's so cool. They're ancient, huh? All right. Let me know what you see today, huh? Do you have crane flies in your area? All right. You just have to look out your window sometimes. You don't even have to step outside. Isn't nature just amazing? Okay. Have a beautiful day. Bye now.